Hey everyone, want to install modules in PowerShell 7? PowerShell modules add new commands and features, allowing you to manage cloud services, automate Windows administration, work with Azure, Microsoft 365, Active Directory, and much more. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to install PowerShell modules safely on Windows, so let's get started. First, open PowerShell 7 from the Start menu. Yeah, some modules require administrator privileges, so if you're installing modules for all users, right-click PowerShell and choose Run as Administrator. Before installing modules, verify that PowerShell Get is available by running the following command. Get module PowerShell Get list available. PowerShell Get is the module that allows you to find, install, update, and manage modules from the PowerShell Gallery. Next, search for the module you want to install. For example, let's search for the PS read line module. Find module PS read line. This command searches the PowerShell Gallery and displays information about the available module. Now install the module using the install module command. Install module PS read line scope current user. Choosing current user installs the module only for your account and doesn't require administrator permissions. Once the installation finishes, verify that the module is available. Get module PS read line list available. If the module appears in the list, the installation was successful. Some modules load automatically when you use their commands. If needed, you can manually import a module using the following command. Import module PS read line. Once imported, you'll have access to all the commands included in that module, and that's how to install modules in PowerShell 7. By using the PowerShell Gallery, you can quickly expand PowerShell with thousands of community and Microsoft-created modules for automation, administration, and development. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.